Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Zerolag MACD indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the MACD indicator, which does not have the lag of the MACD and identifies the start of trends much faster. Everything we do with the MACD indicator can be done with this indicator, with the added advantage that this indicator is much faster.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
And better. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the fast moving average period of the MACD indicator. The second option is the slow moving average period of the MACD indicator. And the last option is the signal line period of the MACD indicator. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.